Hello guys, hello, welcome back with the second Sudoku. Second Sudoku, a 2 stars Sudoku. In the yesterday's newspaper of Wednesday, yes, Wednesday, because today it's actually Thursday, July the 15th, 2021, but there are no extra Sudokus in today's newspaper, so I've decided to continue in the yesterday's newspaper of Wednesday, July the 14th, 2021. Two puzzles are left. Sudoku with 2 stars and a tectonic with 1 star. First, we will solve this baby, and this one with 2 stars will be a number. I believe number 3102. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 5 is 9, 10, 14, 16, plus 4 is 20, plus 3 is 23, plus 3 is 26. Printed digits for 2 stars. I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. For 1 star, faster than 15 minutes. For 3 stars, 20 to 30 minutes. And for a 4 stars, 30 minutes or more. Yes. Those are my time limits for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Which number can I pick? How about the number? Let me see. Hmm. Well, we have a 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 7 should be there. 5 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 9 and the 5. We have a 9 and a 5 in this column, so no 9 and a 5 in these 3 boxes. The 9 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 9 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So what are the other 3 missing numbers in this big square? For the numbers, 4 is missing, the 3 is missing, and the 1 is missing. 1, 4, no, we have a 4 here. Correction, 1, 3, and a 6. 1, 3, 6. 1, 3, 6. And look, we have a 3 and a 6 in the last row. So no 3 and a 6 in this box. The 3 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 box left in this big square for the number 1. Alright. Now we have 2 missing numbers in this column. Here we have 3 and a 6. So the other 2 numbers should be the 2 and the 8. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 8 goes there. Alright. So we have a 2 in this column. 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place for the 2 should be there. Right, now I cannot continue with the 2. How about those 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 5 and 6? 5 and 6. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Let me see. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row below, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. Okay. 8 in this row, 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 8. How about these two numbers in this column? 1, 2, 3 is missing, 4, 5, and the 6. 3 and the 6 are missing in this column. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Alright. Alright. Let me see. How about I'm thinking. 5 missing numbers in the middle column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. So the 5 could be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 9. Alright. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So the last row, the only place for the 9 should be here. Alright. Yeah. One number left in the last row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. Alright. 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Now we have a 3 in one of those two boxes in this row. So this box cannot be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 6. Alright. 4. Yes. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 4. We see here 4 in this row, so no 4 in this box. So the 4 goes together with the 3 in those two boxes as a pair. So one box left in this big square for the number 1. We have a 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above, so that row, the only place for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 and the 7 are missing. Let me mark those two boxes. Alright. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these two boxes. There's 7, no 7 in those two boxes. So one box left for the 7 should be here. Alright. 4, 5. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 4 and 6. 4 and 6. I cannot fill this yet. Well, we have a 6 here. So no 6 in this box. The only place for the 6 should be there. And the 4 goes here. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 3. One box left in this column for the number 1. Alright. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and an 8. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright. So we have a 4 in this row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 4 should be there. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and a 7. 6 and a 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 6 goes there. Now we have a 6 there. So this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6. And this box should be a 5. Alright. 5 in this first row, 5 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 5. Alright. So we have an 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. There an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 8. 1 number left in the second row for the numbers 1, 2. For the number 3, 3 is missing. Alright. So we have a 3 in this column, 3 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 3. Alright. 2 numbers left in the first row for the numbers 1, 2 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, we see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. 1, 6, 7, 1, 6, 7, 1, 6, 7, okay, and now let me see. 2 in this column, 2 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 2 should be there. Do I have all the 2s, and all the 2s are used? I can see. This is number 4, number 2. Alright. 6, 7. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9. 1 and the 9. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a 7. 4 and a 7 are missing. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Alright. 2 numbers left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, 7, 8, and a 9. 6 and the 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 6 goes there. One number left in this big square for the number 6. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6, and this box should be a 7. And the final two numbers of this big square for the numbers 1 and 7. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. All right. Great Sudoku. Definitely a 2 stars. 15 to 20 minutes. So I'm very pleased with the time, and I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later on with the third puzzle, a tectonic with 1 star. Until then, bye-bye for now.